Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So I will put this one go to the right. This one will change by dy over dx. Next, the s and s we put on the left y square. S and ds we put on the right, y square we put on the left. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have negative 1 over y. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.